If you ever ask an AI a question and it answers with the confidence of a TED Talk and the accuracy of a fortune cookie, this video is for you. Because today I'm showing you NotebookLM, the tool that turns your PDFs, docs, links and video transcripts into a personal AI study buddy with receipts. And that with receipts part is the entire point. Alright, what is NotebookLM? Think of it like this. Most AI chatbots are great at sounding right. NotebookLM is designed to be right for your material. You create a notebook, drop in your sources and then you talk to those sources like they are a searchable brain. It answers questions using what you provided and it references where it pulled the info from, so you can click and verify. Basically, is the difference between I'm pretty sure this is true and here's the exact paragraph where it says that. And yes, this matters. If you are a student, creator, researcher, marketer or anyone who has ever been personally attacked by a 70-page PDF. Now, instead of doing a boring step 1, step 2 tutorial, here's the beginner setup in a way your brain will actually remember. You make one notebook per topic. You feed it with a few good sources and then you use it in the 3 modes. Ask, build and listen. Ask, you interrogate your documents. Build, you generate structured output like summaries, outlines, study guides. And listen, use your audio overview to turn the content into a podcast style explanation. That's it. That's the whole mental model. Let's go through the 3 best beginner use cases. Use case number 1. Answer with citations. This is the killer feature. Let's say you upload a report, a course PDF, meeting notes or a bunch of research links. Then you ask, give me the 10 keys, takeaways and sites where each points come from. Or summarize this in 5 bullets for a video script and include supporting codes. Or compare these 2 sources and tell me where they agree and where they contradict. If you are doing anything that requires accuracy, this feels like cheating, but legal, like calculator level legal. And it also helps you avoid the classic AI problem, where it invents a sentence that sounds so smooth you'd almost believe it. NotebookLM is like, cool sentence, now prove it. Use case number 2, turning messy notes into clean structure. Because most of us don't have notes, we have a digital junk drawer. A screenshot, a highlight, a half-finished doc, and a folder called important. That is basically just a museum of stress. NotebookLM is amazing at converting that chaos into something usable. Try prompts like, make me a study guide with headlines, definition, and examples. Create a glossary of key terms. Turn this into flashcards. Build a timeline. Explain this in simple terms and then test me with 10 questions. And my favorite one for creators. Give me a clear 3-part framework I can teach in a 5-minute video. Suddenly your messy research become a clean plan. Not because you became more organized, but because the tool did the boring part for you, which is the dream. Use case number 3. Content creation that stays consistent with your sources. If you make YouTube videos, newsletters, courses or client presentation, this is where NotebookLM saves hours. You load your research sources, then ask, write a YouTube outline with a strong hook, 3 sections and a punchy ending. Give me 5 thumbnail title ideas on these notes. Listen the most common objection and how to respond. Create a script that sounds natural, like I'm speaking to one person. Now, instead of staring at a blank page like it's on you money, you are working from a structured draft grounded in what actually research it. It's like having an assistant who reads all your sources and doesn't say, yeah, I'll totally do it tonight, and then disappear like a ghost. Bonus feature, audio overview. Podcast mode. This is the feature that makes people go, wait, that's actually really useful. Audio overview turns your upload sources into a podcast style conversation that explains the main ideas. So if you learn better by listening or you want to preview a long document before reading it, it's perfect. Imagine you have a dense paper or business report. Instead of committing to a full reading session, you generate audio overview and listen while you're walking, driving, cleaning, whatever. It's basically understand the think mode, because sometimes the goal isn't to read 70 pages, sometimes the goal is simply to do not panic. Alright, 4 quick pro tips that instantly improve results. Pro tip 1, start with fewer, better sources. NotebookLM is powerful, but don't throw in 300 files on day 1. That's not a notebook, that's an escape room. Pro tip 2, ask what it can't conclude. Use this exact prompt. Based only on these sources, what is unclear, missing, or uncertain. This keeps it honest and helps you spot gaps in your material. Pro tip 3, force a format. Results gets way better when you ask for structure. Put this into a table, make a checklist, write an FAQ, give me a script with timestamps. Pro tip 4, use it like a coach. Try. Teach this at beginner, intermediate and advanced levels. Quiz me and explain why each answer is correct. Predict what questions I'll get asked in an interview or exam. That's when NotebookLM stops being a tool and starts feeling like a personal tutor. So, where does NotebookLM fit? If you want broad brainstorming, a general chatbot is great. But if you want to understand your own document faster, stay grounded and actually verify what's being said, NotebookLM is a different category. Your homework is simple. Upload one thing you've been procrastinating on. One PDF, one doc, one set of notes. Then ask, give me the key takeaways with citations and tell me what's missing. If you want a part 2, I can do live demo where we build the notebook from scratch and I show you the exact prompts I use to go from sources to a full YouTube script in minutes. Comment demo if you want that and tell me what you upload first, a course, a report or your 200 open tabs. Because if your browser looks like a Christmas tree of chaos, you are not alone.